Why did you do that?
Documentaries dito. Yes, I am a lady rider. Passion ko talaga ang pagmamotor and I love everything about it. I am extremely outgoer. I'm so into speed and adventures. Kaya naisipan ko gumawa ng vlog, which is Danventures Ph, to inspire and to share my experiences. Pwede nyo din gawing guide ang page na ito, be it a solo ride, group ride, long or balikan ride. Let me just give you an idea kung saan lugar na nga ba yung mga napuntahan ko. I've been to Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, Rizal, Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Benguet, and Mountain Province. What do I get from riding? Actually, it's a big question, mga papi. Well, first of all, it relieves my stress. It's not just going from one place to another kasi. In riding, I get to appreciate every little thing in life. Talking to locals makes me realize a lot. Sabi nga nila, you have to disconnect to connect. Paborito kong puntahan yung mga lugar na hindi pa crowded, yung mga open roads in provinces where the Wi-Fi is weak, where the seafoods and vegetables are fresh, and where the life is very simple. And aside from that, yung bonding and kwentuhan or tawanan with your group or barkada is also a highlight of every ride. And most of all, I get to know myself better. This is the life I've always wanted. From my page, mainly travel stories on a motorbike around Philippines. So please like my page, Danventures PH, and watch out for my next videos. Ride safe, everyone!